Steve was a Warrington here from your next car Dunedin. Today we're going to have a look around this mint 2018 new shape Toyota Aqua Hybrid. So the new shape's got the more up-to-date front bumper, your nicer headlights, and doesn't it look nice in your straight flat white there. So these Aquas have fantastic fuel economy, 3.5 litres per 100 k's, mint paintwork all the way around, also got a 4-star safety rating to keep your family safe. You also get a really good rebate on these as well, around about $1,717 back for driving a low emission, safe, fuel efficient vehicle. So you've got your 3-point seat belts all the way across, you've got your ISOFIX car seat points there as well. Plenty of room in the back there for the kids, full 3-seater there. Let's have a wee look and see what's going on inside here. So another wee bit of a update with the 2018 model is you've got lane departure warning and collision assist, what's a really nice touch. So it's got your standard Toyota stereo in there with your CD player, handy cup holders there as well. So a wee bit of an education session here. So the mode I drive around is in eco mode, so you can see that nice wee green eco button there. The way it works is, say when you're going downhill, you'll be braking and you'll see a wee line come down in this area that tops up the battery. Most of the time you'll be in eco mode, so it's switching between petrol and EV. And so if you're going up Stewart Street and giving it a bit of snot, you'll see it just using straight petrol mode there. So this one's only done 75,000 k's as well, and mint all the way around. So if you want a great looking Aqua, you can drive this one away today for $18,999 or around about $122 a week on no deposit finance. Come find your next car.